nuts. He's a Limpazon stallion on the lunge line, dragging Brittany all over. And why is it that he's doing this? Oh wait, let's see. Let's see why he's doing this. Because of Squiggy. Alright, everyone's going freaking nuts right now. This is like mass pandemonium out here. What is going on?
And Barrel Girl is just riding. She's just like, I'm riding, don't worry about it.
Barrel Girl!
Brittany, stop him!
Easier said than done.
Hurry, hurts himself being retarded.
Oh God. The day at the barn. Did you just say "gah"? The girl that rides like 18-hand beasts.
Look at him, he's like, oh God, Mom spoke. Look at him, he's like, cut it out.
And it's done.